Hey, I'm Finn from Bag Riders, and I'm here to talk to you about the Bag Riders Manual Management Package. This is a really good basic entry-level management system. It also happens to be the lowest cost system that we offer. This kit is controlled via manual paddles that move air in and out of your bags. What makes this kit great is that there's no electronic controls, so there's less to fail. However, the downside being there's more individual items, so the install can take a little bit longer. This kit will come with all of the parts and pieces you need to make a complete air ride kit, along with detailed instructions from us to make the install much easier. Included in the Bag Riders Manual Air Ride base package is your paddle valve controllers, all of your fittings, 60 feet of 1/4 inch airline, your relay fuse and pressure switch with wiring included, your tank drain, and your tank mounting hardware. All right, let's talk about the air tank drop-down. Starting with the Airlift Performance tanks, we have these in 2.5, 4, and 5-gallon options, both polished and raw finish. Along with the 4-gallon seamless tank, this will only come in the raw finish. Choose the size that fits your build best. And you can watch our video on air tanks for more information right here. Let's talk about the air compressor drop-down. You have a couple options here. You have the Viair 444C and the 480C, and the Air Zenith OB2. The Viair are available in single or dual packages, and the 444C is available in this chrome or black finish. Choose the compressor that fits your build best and click the link right here to watch our video on air compressors for more information. All right, let's talk about the power kit drop-down. If you need to supply power to your trunk, for instance, if you don't have a battery-mounted trunk, you're going to want to order yourself the power kit. This includes 4-gauge wire with a fuse, distribution blocks, and connectors. This is good for 1 or 2 Viair compressors or 1 OB2. Let's talk about water traps. They're used to trap water and debris from getting into your valves. We recommend these for systems being used quite frequently. All kits will come with all fittings necessary. They are available in single or dual based on how many supply lines are run to the tank. Let's talk about upgraded compressor check valves. SMC makes a stronger and more reliable check valve than the one included on the Viair compressors. These are recommended for daily drivers or systems that are used in colder climates. These are available in single or dual based on the number of Viair compressors you have. Let's talk about the compressor silencers. These are a high-quality isolator mount for your Viair compressors that mount underneath. They prevent vibrations from the compressor, causing extra noise while running. Available in single or dual based on the number of Viair compressors you have, as well as chrome or black to match the Viair compressor finishes. Let's talk about the air gauges. These read the air pressure of your bags to view in the car. These are available as 2 duals to view all 4 bags, or a 3rd to also view tank pressure. Pick the one that fits your interior best. All right, now that you've made it to the end of your ordering process, it's time to treat yourself. Go ahead and toss in your shirt size so we can send you one of these super awesome Bag Riders t-shirts, only available with an order of a full air ride kit. On top of that, we're going to toss in plate frame, lanyards, stickers, a small backpack, and more. Now that you understand what's included in a full management package, you can check out bagriders.com, where we have a fully customizable full kit and management pack builder to make the kit that works best for your build. If you have any questions, as always, we are more than happy to help you. Drop a comment down below, send us an email, or give us a call.